Okay, this is experiment dish number 3. Last night I put in a chicken drumstick, some carrots, onions, garlic, potatoes, and some seasoning salt. And I had this set in the morning at 9 a.m. and I went to check and moved the slow cooker at 10:30. Now it's around noon in Southern California. It's probably like 78 degrees, 79 degrees outside. So I'm going to check this at noon, see how this cooked. A lot of condensation. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, we're looking at, I don't know, 260, 265 maybe. The hottest it's ever gotten. It's really sunny today. And you can see that. That's gonna be cooked. There's a lot of juices, and that looks pretty good. I didn't do anything other than just putting some cut up potatoes, carrots, and whatnot. So I'll give that a shot. It looks pretty good. Signing off.